Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Circulating supply, total supply, and max supply. These are three very important pieces of information that you have to understand when you're investing in crypto, because this will help you understand how much your token or your crypto can increase in value. All right, so before I get started, remember I bring you videos at least 3 times per week. Also remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing information with you and information that I've learned on my journey to learning about cryptocurrency and other investments. Please make sure that you're always doing your own investments and your own due diligence. Okay, my voice is kind of crazy today, so I'm not going to be long, but a couple people have asked me about calculating market cap, and I made a video about market cap, but some people didn't understand the importance of supply. Specifically, let's start with circulating supply. So circulating supply is the total number of tokens that are available in the market for purchasing and for selling and for buying. So circulating supply is the total number of tokens that are available for you to buy or for you to sell. All right. The second one is total supply. The total supply of tokens is the circulating supply, all of those tokens, plus projects when they create their chains and their tokens. Sometimes they hold some of them back in escrow because they may use those to pay developer fees. They may use it to pay the staking fees, but there's going to be some tokens that are not going to be in the circulating supply and they're going to be held back. Now, another reason why that's important is if the majority of the tokens have not yet hit the market. Imagine if the project or the CEO or the developers, if they begin to flood the market with those tokens, it's going to suppress the price. So it's important to know how many tokens are in circulation and how many are total. The third one is max supply. The max supply is the maximum number of tokens that will ever be created. Here's the thing that's important about that number. Some projects don't even have a max supply. So what that means is they can create new tokens. If that were to happen and you had a project, your price of that project could be suppressed, because remember, supply and demand. If there's more supply than there is demand, it's going to keep the price of your token down. All right, so the other thing I want to do, just real quick, let me show you a few examples. I'm going to go to CoinGecko. You know, that's what I like to use. You all know when I do my research. So let's get started with CoinGecko. So here's CoinGecko. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. I'm just going to go through a couple examples so you can see. So Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin has a circulating supply of 19 million. So a little bit over 19 million. So 19 million coins are out there to buy and sell. The total supply is 21 million. Okay, so there's only about 2 million left that's going to be created. The max supply is 21 million. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin mined or created. Okay, so that's important for you all to know. Now, I know I'm not picking on Shiba, but I need you all to understand market cap and total supply and circulating supply. Shiba Inu, circulating supply, 549 trillion, 146 billion, 987 million, 505,000. That's the circulating supply. That's how many tokens are out there. They've got 1 quadrillion. That's going to be the total supply. So about half of SHIB's tokens are not even out on the market. So here's what happens. Let's say the price continues to go up. The developers in the chain can flood the market with tokens, and that would cause the price of the asset to decrease. So I just wanted you all to know that. And Shiba's not the only one. Shiba's not the only one. And I like Shiba Inu. Remember, I like it because I bought it. I was an owner. Let's take a look at Cardano, for example. Cardano has 32 billion circulating supply. So there's 32 billion in circulation. The total supply is only 45 million. So about 13 billion tokens are locked up in escrow. They haven't hit the market yet, and that's not bad. And the total, the max supply, there will never be more than 45 billion Cardano tokens ever created. See? See how that works? Okay, so I want to go back. I want to look at a couple more tokens just to give you all an idea so you can understand it. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, the circulating supply is 120 million. There's only 120 million tokens in circulation. They don't have a total supply and a max supply out there because they're doing something called a token burn. They are actually burning tokens as they prepare to transition to their ETH 2.0 project, okay? That's Ethereum, and I'm just going to take a look at one more, guys, so you all can see. Let's take a look at Chainlink. So with Chainlink, circulating supply is 467 million. Total supply is about 1 billion. So about a little bit more than half of Chainlink's supply is not even in the market, okay? So that's important information for you all to have. Okay, so I want you all to understand, remember, circulating supply is the total number of tokens that are out on the market available to buy and sell. Total supply is calculated by taking all of your circulating supply plus any tokens that the project has locked up for a variety of reasons. They could be paying developers, whatever. That's your total supply. The max supply is the max number of tokens that can be made, okay? So that's what you have. All right, remember, my name is Ida. I bring you videos at least a few times per week. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. I'm out.